back at it again. Today is another video, another weekly video. Today we'll be doing 5 things I love about my car, about the Mustang, 2010 Mustang GT, and let's get started. Alright guys, so number 1, I love this car. The main thing I love about this car is the V8. So I can smack all those racers all day long, and yeah. Alright, so number 2, I love the fact that it's a V8 and it can be loud as hell. I think this is a low, it's not that actually that loud, so, but let's show you a clip. Alright guys, so number 3. 3 things. The third thing I love about this car is the color. It is so nice. I like it how it can keep clean and it gets dirty at the same time. It just pops out instead of a white or a black being neutral. It's a gray and I love it. Alright you guys, so number 4. The 4th thing I love about this car is the fact that the interior, it's all black. I mean, it gets hot during the summer, but it keeps it clean. Alright you guys, so the 5th thing I love about this car, the 5th and last thing I love about this car is these wheels. It's an all-American American muscle wheels. I'm not too sure what it is or what the specs are, but when I bought it and came with it, it looks freaking mean as hell. I put some spacers to make this thing pop out just a little bit, just enough to make it look mean as fuck. Alright guys, so that's the 5 things I love about this car. I can go on and on all day. But if you have a 2010 V8 4.6 liter engine Mustang, comment down below and tell me what you love about your car. Alright you guys, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow us on social media. We'll see you guys next time. Keep on dreaming.